Hi guys, all eyes will be on IP Mat by IIM Indore, which was supposed to happen on April 30, but it got postponed to July and now postponed to September. Now September 7th is the latest date when IP Mat will happen. IP Mat is the integrated program for their undergraduation and MBA program combined together, 5-year program. I'll talk about the program after in some time, why that is important. But this will put up a challenge. Now all eyes will be on this program. If IIM Indore is able to conduct this program, online, the exam is going to be online, just like our CAT exam. Whether it's happened from home or whether it happened from classroom, whether it happened from the center, we have no idea as of now. So CAT postpone hoga, nahi hoga. See, IP Mat got postponed because that was supposed to happen in April, when the coronavirus was peak time. July again, coronavirus was a peak time. Now September 7th, if the coronavirus still is on the peak time, obviously exam will further get delayed or might be converted into an online exam which can be taken from home. So all the eyes, we have to wait and watch how this happen. If they again postpone to, let's say, October, November, then we have to be, it will become in sync with the CAT exam. So सबका हालत साथ में होगा. If they convert the exam to online, all the IIMs have to sit together and decide whether to conduct the exam in classroom या online, जैसा भी होगा, we are going to be together. If it get delayed also, postponed, तो तुझे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है यार, तेरे को तो पढ़ाई करनी है ना. नहीं, इस बार एग्जाम डिले होगा तो बेटा इस बार मैथ्स नहीं आएगा, इस बार खाली इंग्लिश का टेस्ट होगा, ऐसा तो ना होएगा यार. They will be asking you everything, same paper only. So why you are affecting your studies? As of now, November 29th is the date for us. I am taking that date, you take that date and prepare according to that. Please do not fall into any kind of a speculation. Just let's see how the environment unfold. ठीक है, according to that will apply ना, देखा जाएगा जो होगा. ठीक है. So market obviously will recover, if not today, tomorrow, in the future it will recover. So exams happen from center, exam happen from online, we have to just wait and watch. So IP Mat, for now we'll talk about IP Mat. So IP Mat, if you have a brother, sister or a cousin who is in 10th, 11th, 12th, please recommend them this exam. You are getting a direct admission into IIM Indore. IIM Rohtak, two of the main colleges, two of the main IIMs are conducting this exam for their undergrad programs. तो यार तुम कहीं और BBA करने जाओगे, फिर MBA करने आओगे, तो 3 years of BBA, 2 years of this, 5 years you're going to spend. It's better to spend all 5 years at an IIM. So obviously from that point of view, it makes sense going there. And obviously you're converting IIM Indore as a CAT aspirant is obviously tough. But at 12th level, most of people are not even aware of, engineers are not even aware of this option. So I can apply for that also. The pattern is same as CAT ka pattern, quant and verbal are they're going to ask you question quant and verbal, which obviously you can prepare. So if you have a brother, sister, you can recommend them this exam, IP Mat ka exam, so that they can go for a direct entry. देख भाई, तुम्हारा अगर भाई कोई इंजीनियर है तो उसको पहले ही बोल दो भाई इंजीनियरिंग करेगी तो MBA करने ही आने वाला है. 80% ऑफ इंजीनियर्स MBAs आर इंजीनियर्स, तो डायरेक्टली तुम यही कोर्स कर लो. ठीक है, अप्लाई करने में क्या जाता है. ठीक है, नाउ यू कैंट अप्लाई फॉर दिस ईयर, ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू अप्लाई फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर प्रोग्राम. सो एनी ऑफ योर ब्रदर, cousin who is in 11th class, 10th class, you can recommend them this course. So it's highly recommended, obviously, because from IIM Lucknow, sorry, IIM Indore. मैंने लखनऊ बोल दिया गलती से, नहीं IIM Indore, sorry. So all eyes are on IP Mat. How the events unfold, we have to wait and watch, and then we'll see कि क्या कब कैसे होता है. Alright, I'll keep you posted about this. So please don't fall into any speculations about what will happen. It will get delayed or not. So we have to just wait and watch. Alright, all the best.